Okay, what's today, Dad? Is November 3rd, Friday, and Dad is working on our retaining wall. He has spent a lot of time doing this. He had to, first he had to, no, that's great. I don't mean it like that. First he dug all of the blackberry plants out and potted them up for me. There in front of the greenhouse over there. And then he had to dig this huge hole and get all this dirt out that was pushing the wall and put the braces up so it didn't fall. And the cable that he used is out there. Right now he's mixing up cement to fill in the cracks. And walk over here real quick and show you his brace. This is like a trailer tie down in the ground with this metal plate in front of it to give it more surface area to push, and the plate goes down about 18 inches. And there's the cable that goes to the wall. And here's another area of it. He put a drain hole down there. And behind that hook and cable is a nice metal plate that he made himself. Good job, Dad.
Please, you're killing me. In dog years, I'm already dead.
Oh, no, get out of here. Good thing you're not a dog. All right, he's doing a great job. Bye.